Welcome back to TradeSpot EZ channel. Yesterday we've been talking about leverage and account growth rules. Now, as I promise, I will share to you my secrets on how to grow my 100 USDT into 10,000 USDT. But before that, I want to encourage you to start using BitGet. Why I'm suggesting them? Because this exchange is trusted and reliable. They have proven their credibility since 2018. To register, you can click the link on the description below. Okay, now I will share to you my trading strategy. In every trade setup that I've been made, I always using a swing mode trade, which mean mostly I hold my position one day until 1 week. My take profit areas range is around 3 to 10% price movement without any leverage. As a swing trader, I always focus on finding trends, both upward and downward, and identify key support and resistance levels. Mostly, I trade on Bitcoin and Ethereum. The reason behind it because they are a strong coin that rarely can be manipulated by whales. Anyway, I always have 100 times leverage on my Bitcoin and Ethereum trade. Even I did a high leverage trade style, I have a very strict money management rules in every of my position. I only use maximum 1% of my assets in every entry point, and my maximum risk is only losing 5% of my capital in every of my trade setup. Now you must be curious what technical analysis that I've been used. Let's break it down here. Right now we already in TradingView chart, we're looking at Bitcoin pair. What I do is moving the time frame into a daily time frame first. Okay, now I want to check the price trends, whether it's bullish or bearish or just sideways. Anyway, I always using daily time frame to check the price trends. Once I caught the price trends, I move my chart into 4 hours time frame. What I do in this 4-hour time frame is looking for a good entry point for my trading setup. When analyzing, I always marking a horizontal support and resistance level in there first. Once it finished, I do a screening on my chart, just in case there's any potential classic pattern forming in the chart. Once all those two things ready, what I do is drawing a Fibonacci retracement to make sure my entry is in a good ratio area of Fibonacci. You can combine the classic pattern chart and Fibonacci to find out a cluster area. In there you can put your entry level area. Once you got your entry level area, make sure the RSI level and the price action is good to go. Now when your setup is ready, make sure you have a good risk-reward ratio. For you that still don't understand what is risk-reward ratio, let me explain this to you in a simple way. The risk-reward ratio is a crucial tool that helps investors evaluate the potential returns of an investment relative to the risks involved. It measures how much profit you stand to gain for each unit of risk you undertake. Understanding this ratio is vital for making informed decisions in the crypto market. Calculating the risk-reward ratio is relatively straightforward. You need two key components, the potential reward and the potential risk. The potential reward refers to the profit or return you expect to make from the investment, while the potential risk represents the potential loss or downside of the investment. My minimum risk-reward ratio in every trade is around 2:1, which means if I have two trade setups, one of my setup got a full take profits while my other setup got stopped out, I will still have a profits in overall because I only lose 1 times of my trade size and I got 2 times of my profits from my trade size. I keep consistent with my trade rules. If my setup got stopped out, I never do a revenge trade because it will make things worse. I suggest to you to do the same thing like me. If you just got stopped out on your setup, it's better to take a breathe for a while and don't create another trade setup for a while until you can neutralize your psychological. By doing this consistently, I'm sure you can do the same things like me, growing 100 USDT into 10,000 USDT. Well, I think that's all for today. If you think that my video is useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification on my channel so you won't miss any of my update. Don't forget to register BitGet from the link that I shared in the description below. I'm Daniel Walker. See you next time.